Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to remove time from date in Excel. Firstly, we're about to select a set of data, suppose from A5 to A7. In this particular data set, if I want to remove the time, all I have to do is go to the number section under the Home tab and click on the drop down menu, select short date, and there you see the time has been removed accordingly. Now, in the second method, I'd like to tell you that you need to go to the Data tab. In the Data tab, you'll find the Text to Columns option. In the Text to Columns option, the first thing you want to do is check the Fixed Width option, then you want to press Next. And then you move this black line between the time and the date. And then you click Next again. Now you want to select the time. The black section should cover the data set of the time. Now the next thing you want to do is click on Finish. As you can see, the time has been nullified to 0. Just like the previous method, you'd like to go to Home again, then select Short Date. And there you have it. The time has been nullified and the results are satisfactory, I hope. That's pretty much it. Thank you.